ADA, we start with 1 hour charges. So I want to give a quick update. As we can see, the price, since we have been looking for buy, the price broke the previous second, take profit, and there is a continuation. First of all, again, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was in this move, we have been looking for buy, and we put this to target, and we mentioned the targets we put is where we start to manage the trade, because based on long term, if you want to trade for long term, based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for the breakout of the top based on daily chart, and we're looking for continuation. And we mentioned if anyone trading based on for short term, they can use this one as a take profit. But for long term, where we start to manage the trade. And right now, whoever get the trade within this range, since the price broke the second target, they have to move, at least move their stop loss to the first target to book this profit. Okay. Anyway, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was exactly here, we mentioned we're looking for continuation. Even if we get that any correction or flag, we can look for the next trade. But as we can see, the price drop and reverse. We didn't have an update for this, and we didn't get any trade setup as well here. The only way to look for trade, if anyone could manage to get a trade based on 15-minute or 5-minute based on this one. By the way, we didn't have any update, and based on 1 hour chart, we didn't have any trade setup. Then right now, what we do is we start to manage whatever the trade we have within this. Because if we refer to daily chart, we mentioned the correction we have here, the way we have been looking, we mentioned there is an internal with this two, and this is the last one relative to this. That's why we mentioned we're looking for the breakout of the top. And right now, this is what we get. And mostly we're looking for continuation. But right now, we cannot, I mean, we don't have any trade set up based on daily chart. The only thing is we want to see the continuation. And as we can see, even if we move to weekly, right now the price is at the top. Okay, broke all the previous top. And if we move to forward chart, we don't have anything to look for. That means we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is whatever the trade we get within this move, we have to start to manage. And how about if we refer to the indicators? If we put this one in relative to the previous top and this, all right, we see the divergence, and as well here we don't need to care about the divergence right now. Mostly we see the continuation. The only thing is we can expect to get the correction. By the way, we don't have anything based on daily forward chart, and even based on 1 hour chart. The only thing is whatever the trade we have to start to manage. And if we get any flag of correction from now, we can look for buy and look for continuation. All right, this is the reason, since the price was within this move, even based on the daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for continuation. The best things if we get any trade setup within this range. All right, also we had the any trade setup from here, but from here we didn't have any really good trade setup unless someone trade based on this correction based on lower time frame. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we just follow the chart, and if we get any correction or any flag, still we can look for continuation, because since the price broke the daily chart, we can expect for continuation. Anyway, also I need to mention here, any trade from now, we need to be quite careful. We consider as a short-term trade, as long as, like, if we get any trade based on flag or small correction, as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. Okay, in case the price reversal. But right now, we're not looking for the reversal, we're looking for continuation. But we need to be quite careful. I mean, we need to be aware if the price reverse. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.